Hello everyone! Today's review is far from ordinary. We've compiled a list of the absolute best and most unique gadgets that you won't want to miss. Welcome to Gadget Galaxy, our gadget-filled corner of the internet. Get ready to dive into a world of cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing inventions, and must-have accessories. OGT Survival Axe. For those seeking an axe with exceptional capabilities, look no further. This impressive axe includes features like a hammer, pry and lever, and a nail puller, perfect for camping and other outdoor activities. With 10 multi-tools combined, it's designed to split wood and break ice with ease. 3D mechanized playing cards. Now, behold the enchanting packaging for a deck of cards. A metal box adorned with gears and ornaments that will captivate any steampunk enthusiast. But the true enchantment begins when you place the deck into the stunning mechanical frame. Not only does it set the gears in motion, but it also illuminates the deck with cool LED lighting. You can control the lighting at your discretion, making it a truly mesmerizing experience. To complete the set, you can opt for metal dice available in various premium materials, some of which are embellished with Swarovski crystals, adding a touch of elegance to your gaming. Cubic Keychain. Introducing the most stylish device you'll ever come across, a sleek little cube that offers a brilliant solution for illumination in any situation. This cube features self-illuminating lights that require no electricity, making it incredibly convenient. You can easily attach it to different laces or use it as an accessory when combined with beads. Even better, it's designed to withstand water, ensuring it remains functional regardless of the conditions. Ring clock. If you find traditional watches too big and uncomfortable, why not consider a ring that shows the time? This sleek and durable ring is made of surgical stainless steel and features engraved slits equipped with bright LEDs, either blue or orange. With a slight rotation, the digits line up, displaying the time clearly for 15 seconds. Plus, it's fully waterproof and comes with a wireless charging pad, offering 3 to 5 days of usage on a single charge. With a variety of sizes and colors available, you can stand out with this unique timepiece. OGT Survival Companion. Next, we have a survival multi-tool that fits right in the palm of your hand. Crafted from durable aluminum, this versatile tool is built to last and endure tough conditions. It features fold-out ferrocerium and magnesium rods for fire starting, an emergency whistle, a blade sharpener, and reflective panels. Additionally, it comes equipped with a compass and thermometer. The removable belt clip can transform into a screwdriver, bottle and can opener, 4 different hex wrenches, a serrated scraper, and a ruler, making this multi-tool an indispensable companion. Geek Club Cyberpunk Construction Kit. Now it's time for some robot building fun. With this DIY kit, assembling your own robots becomes an enjoyable and straightforward process. The kit provides step-by-step instructions and all the necessary tools, including tweezers, pliers, and a soldering iron. Each robot boasts a unique structure and appearance, ranging from spider-like hexapods to 2-legged heavy snipers. You can assemble them one by one or opt for the complete set of 5 different robots. Some models contain around 20 parts, while others feature over 100. All these captivating robots are crafted from printed circuit boards, a component used in many devices. Don't forget to add blinking LED lights to bring your creations to life. Rodless Reel. Alright, it's time to gear up for some serious fishing with this rodless fishing reel that guarantees success. Despite its compact size of just 3 inches, it easily fits in your jeans pocket and boasts remarkable durability with its stainless steel and anodized aluminum construction. Operating the reel is a breeze, even for beginners, thanks to its user-friendly design. The special snap swivel ensures the line won't tangle, making the entire fishing process intuitive and smooth. Simply spin the lure for a few seconds, release the line in the right direction, and reel it in slowly when the fish takes the bait. Hold your thumb on the spool and pull back once you've got the fish on the hook. Choose from several great colors and enjoy the comfortable grip with its large finger holes. Plus, it's ambidextrous, catering to both left and right-handed anglers. For those new to fishing or looking for a simpler version, there's a plastic model available that handles over 3 pounds with ease. Wireless car charger mount. Next up is a bright and functional device that serves as a phone holder for your car. Easily clip it to the car's vent and experience safe driving with an adjustable swivel ball that offers 360-degree rotation, keeping all the important information right in front of your eyes. This smart design features wings that open automatically when you bring your phone close and securely hold it in place. It doubles as a charger with 10 watts of power, all enclosed in a sleek, glassy surface, available in chrome silver and gold. This versatile phone holder perfectly complements any car interior and includes 4 sets of numbers that can be arranged and replaced when needed. Mini Rugged Outdoor Speaker. Take your music with you on all your outdoor adventures with this rugged Bluetooth speaker. Though it looks like a piece of military equipment, it's actually a powerful Bluetooth 5.0 speaker. Its full metal zinc alloy body ensures durability, and it's even protected from water, so you don't have to worry about the rain. Despite its tough build, it's incredibly lightweight, weighing less than 5 ounces, making it effortless to carry. You'll be impressed by the clean and rich sound it delivers with its 5 watts output, and it boasts a 6-hour playtime on a single charge. Not only that, but it also comes with an integrated flashlight featuring 3 different modes, making it a reliable companion for any adventure. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching Gadget Galaxy, and we'll see you next time with more exciting gadgets.